guys, I am here and I'm back with another video, and guess what? You might want to see something. I found a bird. It was on the floor. My dog bit it a little bit, and here it is. It's so cute. I'm sorry, little birdie. Okay, the feathers are hard. It's not that big yet. He'll grow. Yeah, that's kind of cool. He'll grow. He'll grow. He's so cute. I put water. We might get food for him tomorrow. As you guys can see, it is dark outside, like pool. That's where he pooped, so I kept it right there. And okay, let's go see the pool, cause it is kind of hot. Not that big. Please do that. Okay. Let's go check on that spider I let free. Not here. Let's go back to the bird, yeah? I have a little container, so whenever spiders go in there, take them out, get the lid, put it on, and boom, I catch one. But right now I have nothing, because I captured a spider, it was in there, and then I let it free. But it's weird because I just washed it and then now it came out. Oh, it does something went over there. I was like, oh, shoot. I am really scared for it to go through this little hole. Spiders. And then they might go through the little things. You guys know the other one's out? Yeah, it's cool. It's just so cute. I am calling him Blue Jay. I got the idea from this one YouTuber, and I call him Blue Jay. He fell from a tree. The tree I saw he was at was over here. Look. Was this tree. And this tree is cool, but not that cool. It's not cooler than the little birdie I found. Yep, I'm gonna put him one more time, cause that's how cute he is. I'm gonna take him out. Here he is, on camera. Go. Come on, Brady. Go. Go. Show them something. Go, Brady. I just feel like I'm forcing him something. Okay. Come on, do something. There is his cut. That's where my dog bit him.